see.
You see him?
Oh, he's coming up. Oh, there he is.
Oh!
Oh, baby.
Oh my God!
There he is. He's huge.
Let me grab him. Bring him over to the rock. Bring him over to
Watch
the rock.
out, he's a snapping turtle.
All right, I'll grab him behind his head.
Oh, he's pulling hard. It's the biggest thing I've ever cooked.
All right, bring him up,
I'm pulling.
Let me get close up.
Come here. That's a mother. Father.
Come on, bring him over. Dude. Oh my gosh. Where is he?
I'm pulling him up. He's fighting.
So what'd you catch? A turtle?
Oh my gosh. He's a beast.
Bring him up.
I'm trying. There he is.
Bring him over. Bring him over. Don't let him go down again.
Get him on the rock. Get him on the rock.
Wait.
Wait.
Hold up. Don't let him in the water. Don't let him in the water. I'm not. Oh, stop. I think I can get him. Bring him up. I do not want to stick my hand down there. Ooh, he's a ferocious one. Let's get a nice close up.
Humongous.
All right,
He's so strong. He's gonna snap the line.
All right, if you have to, here I'm gonna turn off the camera. All right.
Okay.
Because I have to go try to find something.